Good evening or magandang gabi. It's Thursday night or Huwebes ng gabi, and tonight on Learning Tagalog, let's learn how to say talkative and lazy. Lazy in Tagalog is tamad. 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 And talkative is madaldal. Dal. Madaldal. But if you are referring to your wife or your novia or girlfriend that goes on and on and on talking when you fight, it's more fit to use the word bungangera. 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 So we have lazy or tamad, and talkative, madaldal, and I'm not madaldal, by the way. I'm more of a quiet person, and I just listen to my friends when they talk. I have few friends that are madaldal, and you can also use the word bungangera. Bungangera. And with bungangera, I remember there's this one neighbor that we had before back in the Philippines, and it's a couple, by the way, and the wife just won't stop when they fight, and she just goes on and on and on, and I could hear her talking, and she just won't stop. So you can call her bungangera. Bungangera. And if it's a guy, you can call him, your husband or your boyfriend, bungangero. Bungangera for a female and bungangero for a male. Okay, that's it for tonight, and I think next video we will learn how to say quiet in Tagalog, and I'll think of few other words. Good night.